Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
He yelled. He fucking yelled. Fucking, I hear you guys the same as fucking yeller piece of shit. Let's just start the heist. Hello,
All right, mate.
We are playing PayDay 2. Robbing a jewelry store like common thieves. I am Russian, and he is the base character that they give you, Dallas.
Hey, stop spewing them facts. Stop spewing facts.
And as you can see, he's fully ready with his loadout, the crew setup tab. If you press on that, Taylor, it says what you have equipped and what I have equipped. You can equip almost the exact same things I have equipped, but you might not be good enough. Go to loadout. You can change your stuff. You don't have any money, so you can't upgrade anything. Well, dude, I have a knife. You have the butt of a rifle. I have a medkit. You have nothing. I'm sorry for spewing facts. I know, they're scary. They scare children daily. They scare little Taylors away. They scare them like no joke. Nothing's changed. I don't think he knows how to change his fucking loadout. Holy
I'm ready. Let's go. I didn't change it. What?
Look, he has a knife, guys. He's done it. Look out, he's got a knife! Before the heist even starts, I'm ratting on him. He didn't even turn on like a med kit or ammo.
Nah. That's for losers. That's for losers, mate.
Alright, follow me. I got this. We have 2 women with us. Trust me on this. Just don't shoot your gun. Wait for him.
Oh, hi, sir. Hello, sir. How you doing?
Shh. Dude, I got this. You want to see something badass? Where is he?
What?
Where is he? You gotta give me help. Where is he? I think it's F to like point him out. You're no help. Okay. What the? Shh, you fuck. You didn't hear anything. Shh. They hear nothing.
Protocol 1917. Copy?
You weren't a bad assistant. You didn't tell me where he was or anything.
Hey, I don't know what button to press for my weapon. I haven't played this on PC yet.
Alright, well.
What is it?
Don't put your mask on.
What weapon? Oh. Hi, sir. How are you doing?
Well, I gotta go answer another phone.
Was showing Barney in Russian wrestling. Bumped radio button.
I've heard he
Are you ready? Are you ready, Mike? I don't think you're ready, Mike.
I hate you. You're not even British. You're American. You're like the full character of American.
I am sorry. What are Bonnie and Joy doing over there?
They are AI. They only join when it's loud. Dude, currently we have stealth on our side.
Okay.
Okay. Fuck, I don't know how to... Damn it. Okay.
Don't show civilians your hand unless it's the backhand.
I'm unlocking.
Shh. There's a cop in here somewhere. Don't run out, please. God damn.
Okay.
Hey.
You're having too much fun, Montas. Oh, you cost money. Get down.
Shut up.
Get down on the ground.
We got a hostage.
Hey, more money.
I don't know if there's another security guard.
I think there is. Oh god, don't run. Oh my lord. Oh no. I just missed that.
I don't know if there's another security guard.
There is. You want to screw it?
Don't shoot your gun. Just press F.
Wait, where the heck is it? Where is he?
Press F.
Where is he?
Press F.
F? Alright.
Don't think of moving. Don't fuck up now. Stay down. Pretend I'm not here. Stay down. As you say,
Hey, I like that. Go back to sleep.
Dude, you can hold F on a person, and you can put like things on him.
Alright. Oh, you mean zip ties? Yeah. We need to do a harder heist after this one. So how was that? Were you really gonna record with Chris?
No. I want to see if this guy notices what we've... He's noticed. Die! I gotta clean the streets now. Criminal! I am now the police. Gah! You left the civilians by themselves. I'm an awful human being. I know.
Hey, Montas! Montas! What did you do?
Just shut up. Just
We're
now-
bagging this.
Yeah, dude, we just throw the thing in the van now. Look, money. Dude, first of all, we can't do a harder heist. We don't have armor. I want to remind you of this.
I feel retarded. What do I pick up?
You have a dead body.
Oh, how do I drop this piece of crap person?
I
Oh, there we go.
don't remember how to... Shit.
G.
I gotta go deal with whoever this is. Gah! I didn't kill him. Nothing happened over here.
Wait, what is...
I've wasted so much money on
Oh,
killing
okay.
civilians. Oh, we never set up a drill. Let me set up the drill. Dude, we might as well get all the money. Dude, I'm gonna set up the goddamn drill. Let's get the money out. 5 minutes for that drill. Enough time for us to probably grab all the cash now. God!
Alright, cool. Let's do this, boys.
Dude, I got us a statue of a bullet. Because that's what we needed, right?
Yeah, totally. 100%.
Oh, shit. I gotta go deal with this.
Deal with what? Police?
Get down on the ground.
I tell him to get on the down. Shit. Back up. Look at that civilian over there. See that civilian? You notice anything? No, you didn't. Just keep grabbing the money. Your job is just to grab the money. I will deal with any civilians.
Okay, I understand.
Fuck. Gah!
That doesn't sound good, Montas. You...
Why not, huh? This is
No,
how
screw this. We should just eliminate everybody.
Oh, the drill broke. I'm so sad. Oh, I'm so sad.
I'll
now.
fix it. Hold on. I'll fix it. I'm coming.
Dude, neither one of us fix it faster, so it doesn't matter. And if we work together, it doesn't increase the speed.
That is sad.
We can get perks later on to do all that, but right now, we're perkless. We're like amateurs at robbing places.
Yeah. I only played this on Xbox for a little bit, so I don't know much of the controls.
Well, first of all, different controls on Xbox. Step 1. I'll be back.
Where are you going? Oh, someone saw us?
Down.
I'm running over. Wait, what? F to open. What's in here? Aw, nothing. Oh, we could dump the body bags in there. I feel retarded.
Taylor's doing his own thing. I'm trying to get us cash. Cash money!
Cash money. Oh my god. I'm doing my own thing. Aren't I?
Perfect. 25,000 more. You know what you've been doing? Nothing.
Yes, I have.
Don't lie to me. You've been playing with dead bodies.
Hey. It's fun. Escape's available. Do you want to escape?
No! We started this drill. We're finishing the drill.
Oh, okay. I see how it is. The game controls on this are funny as crap.
The fucking... Dude, you're gonna learn to hate them. You
Sure.
never played missions with drills. That's what I've learned. Oh, dude. Did you get... Look
What?
at this guy. Didn't even grab the bag of money. It's a bag of jewelry, but money.
Montage just here's money.
25,000.
That's more than I have in my bank account. Why are we terrorizing people, dude? We're such horrible people.
I mean terrorizing. I'm not terrorizing anything.
You're killing people.
No, I didn't kill anyone. I shot all their computers. No one can call the cops if they don't have computers.
Or phones.
Dude, there's more stuff over here, too.
Where?
I grabbed it all.
Okay. Lit.
Oh, dude,
I see.
dude, I found a gauge package.
Oh.
Fix the drill.
Remaining packages.
Fix the drill.
I'm going! Ah!
Is friendly fire not on? Is that not
What?
I'm so sad now.
What, not a thing?
No, let's see if oh, Taylor actually knows how to fix a drill. I'm impressed. Look at this beautiful cage. You know,
I have a shooting problem, Montas.
I'm shooting cars on the other across the fucking street, and they're going like, crazy guy over there.
Oh, well, where? Hey, people are driving. I just saw a police officer pass by, Montas.
They don't care what we do, apparently.
Why?
Now the game has a limited amount of civilians that can spawn, and I've killed every civilian. So,
Montas, you have a problem.
did you not watch me gun them all down? I didn't gun them. I knifed each one of them.
Dang, even worse. Hey, freeze you! You freeze! Ah! What was that? You just threw a grenade. You started a fire. I hope you're happy. You started a fire.
Damn it. Oh, the table's in the. What the fuck is this thing? Get out of my. Oh! He actually got me. Damn. He blew the fire. Oh god. Oh, dude, you moved the painting that was in the way. Good job.
Oh, good job. I'm out.
Dude, we've blown up this area.
Oh, it's done. 5, 4, 3, 2,
You know.
1, 0. Take all the money.
Ooh, 2 more bags, man. Oh, look at that. Let's go. We're out. I am a whore. If I was a bank robber, I would be called the serial killer bank robber.
You'd be called the strategy. You'd be called the strategy, man.
Let's go.
Oh,
let's go.
crap. I'm coming. I'm coming.
It was pretty dumb, actually. That's what I've learned right now.
I wanted more money. I'm sorry.
There's no more money.
I wanted there to be more.
Woo! 5% XP on our next contract.
It won't be hard. This is the perfect kind of merchandise. Nice work.
Offshore. Spending 47,000. I feel good.
That upsets me.
What?
My offshore spending is only 47K.
We have $47,000 to spend now. Oh god, did you unlock some stuff?
Yeah.
I see. I see.
My dude, this is pretty lit.
It's probably because we stealthed it. You got to like 4.5 almost?
Yep. Alright, what are you choosing? Alright, I'm choosing this one.
Oh, wow, an awful man doesn't pick the metal. Damn it. Question mark. I got the question. Toxic green and mad purple.
That is me, toxic.
Alright.
You're not lying to us, man.
Dude.
Alright. Are you ready for the next heist?
Dude, we could freaking buy. We can upgrade our guns now.
Yeah. Or buy a new gun. Oh, wait, no, we can't.
Can we not?
No, wait, it's 42 grand. Yes, we can. The AR rifle. I love this gun. I'm getting it.
Some gun.
Do you really want to spend 240? Yes, I do.
Wait, which gun are you buying?
The AR, the AK.
Ah, the AK rifle.
It's amazing, dude.
Yeah, I'm not gonna buy any of this yet.
I got DLC camos.
Yeah, you got a bunch, dude. You got everything from the goddamn DLC. We also unlocked some new melee weapons. I need to see what I now own. I can't go robbing banks anymore without knowing, like, what I can get. I don't own money for any of this.
What's 1,000 achievements milestone? How do I get 1,000 achievements?
There's a... you know what achievements are?
Yeah.
Yeah, those.
Why?
Achievements.
I have to do 1,000?
PayDay 2 has like 1,000-something achievements, man.
To use this weapon skin, you must find it in a slaughter safe or purchase it from the community market.
Yeah, that's not worth it. Oh, dude, Kingpin. Oh, what the hell? Forgot there was so much. I don't think we can unlock anything here yet, but dude, that would be awesome. All right. You might want to get a new mask because you can get that now.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna like go ahead and this is like the best one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and purchase on community market because I'm pretty sure it's not that expensive. And if it is, I like.
It's not worth it. He's spending real life money right now on this game. I'm gonna keep with. No, I'm gonna put on the ballistic vest because probably the next one we're gonna do is pretty loud. I don't want to change my weapons yet, even though they suck. Yeah, see, none of them are worth it to me. Actually, the heavy eagle rifle is kind of 41, 16. Dude, we need to play a lot more of this. We got the golden AK. Ah!
I'm getting it right now.
What? No, the golden AK is its own weapon. Its
Oh,
own
yeah,
separate
true.
weapon.
Oh no, I'm getting the golden variant of the skin for the AK.
That's not worth money. Especially, you're probably not going to keep that weapon because that's one of the lower tier weapons.
Well, let's see how much it is and see if it's worth it.
Dude, if it's like more than 3 cents, it's not worth it.
What if it's 2.5?
Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Christ. My teammates are retarded.
I regret life.
Why?
It's $90.
Look at that boy.
I'm good.
Oh, I don't want. We're gonna do the harder missions later on, like the missions that are more than 1 day. Because, dude, we cannot do some of the harder ones. We don't own money. Aftershock. Man.
Lol.
Dude, let's do Shadow Raid. We would fail on that in 10 seconds.
What's the payout?
$500,000.
We're failing.
What you don't know about it is it's only stealth. We don't have any stealth guns or anything like that.
Well, we can get one if they're not freaking $10 million.
What?
Boys, they're all 10 million bucks. All the guns for 10 million. I swear. $1.65. Okay, that's actually kind of worth it.
Dude.
Yeah.
You ready for our heist?
There's a battle worn.
Stop trying to buy fucking gun skins. It's not worth
No,
money.
it comes with like equipment. Montage, it comes with equipment.
Oh my god, he's gonna spend real life money. You know you can get those things from a safe that you unlock through playing the game? Or no?
Yeah. I do.
Then why don't we just play the game more?
It's a lot of work.
My god. My teammate has the IQ of 3.
IQ of 3? Did you
Are
say
you
that?
ready yet? Like, I've equipped my ballistic vest.
Dang, dude, you're ready.
You, on the other hand, have not equipped anything.
I wonder if we can trade right off the bat. Can I trade you this?
Oh my god. I'm gonna click start the heist.
No, wait!
What?
Give me 2 seconds, okay? 2
2
seconds.
He says 2
Montage.
seconds. He says
2
2
seconds.
We're gonna wait like 3
Montage.
minutes.
I'm so close. It's loading on the thing. You know what? Fine. I'll do it for my freaking. Wow.
Piece of
I
shit.
see what you did.
Piece of shit. 2 seconds, you said. 2 seconds passed.
Thorough planning can turn a speculative venture into a guaranteed result.
Dude, look at this. We could do like.
Like what?
Nope. Nope. Money.
All right, let me at least get my loadout ready.
It is a lean plan. Are we agreed? It is a lean plan. Do you all? Is the whole team agreed upon? And now we prosecute.
22 detection risks. Okay.
Oh, you don't want to go in loud? I'm ready if you are.
All right, yeah. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna clip.
Doesn't equip items. Doesn't equip armor. He has a new gun. I'll give him that. He did change that. Oh, there. Oh my god.
Well, I'm doing it at the moment.
Why don't you equip like something that would be useful? Like I equipped a med bag. You can equip like ammo.
All right, wait. Where do you want me to equip?
Anything. It's better than not bringing anything to a fight. It's like the guy going, "Hey, you could take anything with a fight with you. What would you take? Nothing. I don't need anything. Watch me. Watch me fight." That's what you're saying. Taylor.
Are you happy, Montas?
He is a woman. He didn't even equip anything. He hasn't equipped anything. Oh, ammo bag. Good idea. See, now if we start running out of bullets, we don't have to go stabbing cops.
Are you ready?
I clicked the red button.
Oh, why the heck? Okay, hold on. There we go. All right, I'm ready. Let me click it. There we go.
Hard. Ooh.
Okay, folks.
Let's go, guys. Hard mission.
Let's get it.
Okay, the vault's got the gold.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk all the way around. I want to try to stealth this as long as we can. Even
Yeah.
though we both have ballistic armor on.
Wait, I got your back.
Yeah, that's pretty obvious, isn't it?
I'll save you if you screw up.
Oh, shit. Alright. You stay
What?
here. You protect drill.
Hey, Annie up.
I believe in you. Protect the drill.
Can I put on my mask to use my gun?
No. You don't need a gun yet. The moment the
Oh,
cops
okay.
are called, you have to remember your mask is auto put on. So if it gets loud, you'll have a mask. I promise.
Okay.
Alright, let's... Na-na. Oh,
My game is frozen to where it won't let me move. There we go. Now I can move. Wait, no, I can't. What the heck? What's happening?
Taylor's broken over there.
What? Oh, there we go. All right, thank you. All right, can I put my mask?
Yeah, I guess so.
Get your game
I'm pretty sure we're gonna go in loud.
Loud?
I
like
don't
it.
know where the bank teller is.
Let's do it, boys. I got you covered.
Shh. Okay, a cop's gonna come out here. I'm gonna stab him to death. Where are you? No, we're gonna stab him to death. There he is. He's coming. He's coming. No. Hide behind the car. We're gonna jump him.
Dang, Montage.
We're jumping a cop.
Tell me when he runs out.
Oh, he's here. Oh. Just put.
You guys are retarded. Oof.
Dumb piece of. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Russian. Everything is fine here.
Oh, mother of.
Lay down. Get down on the ground. Stay down, stay quiet.
Shit.
Alright, picking up the drill.
No, wait, No, dude, put the thingy on the guy who has the red thing right now.
On me.
Dude, we still haven't lost this yet. Somehow we haven't lost it.
After me.
Better?
On me.
Shh. I think we can stop this. We're two guys with AKs in a parking lot. Just a reference to what we're doing right now. Alright, we need to hide everything.
Hey, dumpster over here. Dumpster.
Come with me.
Drop the drill and then grab the body. I'm dealing with the manager.
After me.
You dumb shit!
Will be all over soon.
This is a body.
Come with me.
This is a body, dude.
Belly to the floor. After me.
The heck? Alright, whatever.
Close your eyes. Think of nice things.
Think of nice things. Okay. No, dude, I got a key card now. Do you know what that means?
What?
Watch me.
Someone's coming.
I failed. It's over. Yeah, it's over. Get to the drill. Get the drill.
I got it.
On the ground.
Don't shoot civilian. Oh, that was a cop.
That's not civilian. That's not a civilian. What the heck? Who's shooting me? How are you already shooting me?
Down on the ground. Don't be a
Dude, put the
stupid
drill
little-
down.
Be still,
I've never
be
had
calm,
such a-
be happy.
Alright, guys. We've started the fight. You hear the cop cars? They're here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I did this mission before on Xbox.
Yeah,
I just stood behind here.
this is just the gold one. Dude, I'm just trying to find if we can find like some spare cash they're leaving somewhere. Ooh, cash boy. I'm gonna get some wood for us.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So I'm gonna
Alright.
go outside into danger.
Jeez. Yo, there's a rooftop we can use.
Let me show you the coolest thing I've ever seen in this game. Boards! I don't know why it's an option.
Get down. Don't think of moving.
Did the drill stop?
No. Do you not hear the...
Alright, then I guess it didn't.
But the police can go and break the drill, so we need to protect it from cops.
Protect them.
Protect the drill! The SWAT team's here. Or the FBI, actually.
Oh, even better.
Shit. I'm out. They have shields. Oh my god.
What the heck? Oh, sniper.
Yep, I'm going back inside. I'm out. And our drill broke. I'm going inside. I'm sorry.
It's alright, I'm coming too.
The police assault just started, too.
I'm inside.
I'm fixing the drill. Taylor, you need You need help, don't you?
Yes.
Taylor, I'm placing health right here.
Where?
It's glowing green on the map.
Oh, hey.
What?
What?
I have to fix it again. It jammed like 2 times in a row. You better be protecting
Dang.
me. If I get shot, I'm shooting you. Dude,
I'm protecting you.
We got Duke on our team. Duke Ellen.
The heck? Who's chasing it? Oh. Get out of my way. Who's shooting? Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, God. Who's shooting me? What?
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm not going into that firefight. I don't know why you did.
Because I'm a boss. Reload faster, please.
Boop. Currently, our only job is to protect that drill and kill cops.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Surveillance cameras. Alright, cool.
How do I get another zip? Oh. How do I get more zip ties? Oh, we have a problem.
What?
There's two guys with shields.
Where? I'll do it. Oh, I see him. Hey, you fellas!
Nah, dude, back up. I got a plan. Run! Did you forget we had grenades?
Yeah.
'Cause I did too.
Duh.
I am the king of the drill.
Ooh, good idea. Grenades sound like a great idea. Yeah, run right into the grenade, sir. Thank you. Montage, you need help in a little bit.
Nah, I'm good. Oh, I killed a civilian by accident. Whoopsie.
We're getting enough money out of this. It's fine. I'm out of ammo. Oh, God. I need to drop a bag.
Yeah, you have the ammo bag, too.
I know. I need to drop it.
Oh, shit. Hopefully
What?
the AI is smart to protect me. No, dude, I had to fix the drill. It broke again. Jammed. Broke. Same thing. Ah!
Roll.
That was good. Hey.
Oh, great. Even better, a chopper. Hey, ammo right there, Montas. If you want ammo, Montas, it's right there. I'll cover you.
I'm pretty good with ammo right now.
Alright.
I might be using my... You used my medkit up.
Sorry. Oh, dude, you don't have it anymore?
No, dude, it's a certain amount of use.
Oh, dang, I'm sorry.
Did the drill break? No. Shit.
At least we have ammo.
Oh, dude, they gassed that room!
Which, oh, God.
One room that looks like gas. Can you believe this, kid?
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yo, screw it. America!
That's what you get for hiding behind a shield.
No Marcus, no Marcus, no Marcus.
Taylor's lost all his armor.
No Marcus. There's a shield out there.
I'm trying to, like, focusly shoot them, but it's so hard.
We have 30 seconds left.
I don't see any more enemies. Ah! God, there's so many shields.
Twelve, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
No.
You get the point. You don't get the point? 4,
Oh God,
3.
run.
Steal the goal. Let's go, boys.
Now, you do realize how gold works, right? It's heavy.
Yeah.
Shield down! Don't forget about those safe deposit boxes, folks. Getting good stuff in there. One less shield! Got the shield!
God. Into the streets!
I like how they have the park in the most inconvenient place ever.
We only needed one piece of gold?
I don't want only one piece of gold. I want all the monies.
Well, then we gotta go back.
Do you want to just leave?
I'm already inside the bank.
Oh, okay.
It's a shield.
I hate you, Shield.
Shot at me. That's so rude.
What?
Oh, damn it. I missed. Dude, look at how much money that is. Oh, there's a sniper. I see the red line. Ugh. Ah! Dude, a piece of gold? Did someone...
Is that all the gold?
The bullets just stopped.
Is that all the gold?
Yeah.
Hey, do you need ammo?
Oh, I'm dead! I'm dead! Taylor,
No, you're not.
goodbye!
No, you're not. No, you're not. Get in the car. 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 We're getting out. Get in the car. Get in the
I
car.
like how he tells me, I'm in the car.
We did it all over them.
Hey. Good haul, guys. You sure got an achievement right there, Taylor. Oops.
Sure, what?
Got an achievement. That's your first achievement, probably.
No, it's my 10th.
Jesus Christ. PayDay
What?
rewards you for everything. Dude, we got 174,000?
Lit. Aw. Yeah. Yeah.
5! We're definitely getting 6.
I know we're definitely getting 6. Definitely getting 7.
Ooh, boy.
8?
Oh, guys,
We're getting to 10, dude.
This guy is 9. 9? Can we push for 9? Can we push for 10? Can we push for 11? Yes, we can. Can we put... Oh, my God!
What?
Isn't it great being 13?
You're 13? Oh, same.
Jesus Christ. Enter PayDay!
We both pick middle.
Come on. Come on! Cha-ching! He got camouflage. I got $80,000.
Montel is the happiest out of this.
Alright, well, this is the first episode of PayDay 2 with Taylor and others probably in the future. And I'll see you guys on the next one.